Morning guys, June 7th, 2023. This one I got a call from a lady. She's got a filter set up on a well pump, and she sent me pictures of it. She said the handle broke off of the valve before the water filter that she had put in. Looks like there's Cpvc there, and I guess there's a shutoff before the filter. She broke the handle off, so and it's leaking. I gotta go there and cut out what I need to so I can change that valve for her because it's leaking. I'm not a big fan of that Cpvc. It's kind of water pipe, but you glue it together. And the way it's set up, she wants to keep her filter set up she's got there. It's kind of one of these little queer looking ones that you dump off the bottom, any sediment. But anyway, I gotta go there and shut the water off and cut it apart and see if I can get that valve changed. I might have to cut a T in and revamp the whole thing. But I brought what I need for fittings and pipe and glue, and hopefully I could fix it for her. I guess she used to have copper there one time, and there was a lot of pinholes happening, but she had M tube in there, because I remember working over there before. She had M, which is half as thick as L. And I told her you should have went back with the copper instead of the Cpvc junk. But anyway, we're gonna go over there and cut out what we have to and see if we can patch and match. I guess it's probably alright on the cold water, but if it was on the hot water, the shit gets awful brittle and can blow at any time, they say. I don't use a lot of it. I try not to use it. But if it's there already, I gotta kind of try to fit together what's there, patch and match. Hopefully we get it to work for not easy being cheesy, Mama. Never a dull moment. Never a dull moment, Molly. Turn everything, open all the valves. I got the water off here. Okay. So the power's off. Just open everything and leave everything open. Okay. I'm gonna drain it down, and I'm probably gonna try to cut this here. Cut this here. And I could cut this and put another coupling on here for now. I'm gonna put a hose on it and drain it.
And she ran up the stairs and she wouldn't come down. She was afraid to come down. So.
Alright, so you got the drain open on this thing. Or you couldn't change the filter because it was blocked, right? It looks awful dirty. You got a new one?
Yeah, I do.
I got the water off. You got a wrench for that thing to get it off, or?
I don't. I just kind of take.
Oh, it comes off easy enough. All right. I gotta get my kneeling pad. I gotta get my foam kneeling pad because save my knees. Oh, that's a queer little sucker, huh?
Yeah, but it saves the washing machine, so I don't have to keep cleaning out the screens and sand. What? No, I didn't. So crazy how much,
What is it?
that bucket was clean. That's how much sand and grit, and I've only had this on maybe 2 months.
Well, what I'm saying is the way this is set up, right?
Yep.
You could dump this every so often and it flushes the shit out of it.
Yeah.
You know that?
Yeah, I know, yeah. Yep.
So this thing just pops off or unscrews or what?
Yeah, it
Okay,
just
there we
pops
go.
off, yeah.
Yeah. So what you want to do is every so often just open this.
Yeah.
And it flushes the stuff out. You
Yeah.
could just clean these.
I will.
So you got two. You got a new one there. Huh?
Yeah, and I got a new one, another one too. I ordered a 3-pack, so.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
I mean, you can them are like cleanable, which is kind of cool.
Yeah, I know. I'll clean this one.
Let me
Yeah.
So you working from home?
No, I just retired.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, from the state.
Aren't you lucky?
Yeah, I have all these medical issues. I went out a little earlier than I normally would with a little bit less percent, but I fell off a ladder and broke my back last June. So I have to have a back surgery. Working the last year was just.
You broke your back?
Yeah, I got a 50% compression fracture on my L1, and then I messed up my lower back like big time. So it's pushing on my spinal cord. So.
Holy shit!
I'm in pain quite a bit, so I don't take anything for it, but I just really can't do much, or can't even walk that much right now.
You fell off a ladder?
Yeah, but I'm gonna start taking weight loss medication prescribed by the doctor, like these new shots that you take.
Oh
Because I have to lose 26 pounds before they're gonna do the back surgery, because there's a better chance of recovery and less chance of, I'm too overweight right now, so I gotta lose 26 pounds, and then the surgeon said he could do the surgery. So I'm starting weight loss medication. After you leave, I'm gonna go pick it up at CVS, so.
I think that blocks certain pathways or some shit like that, they said.
Yeah, your appetite, it suppresses your appetite, in your brain, you don't even feel like eating. So I'm gonna do that for few months till I can lose the weight, and then after the recovery.
They say once you get on that shit, you can't get off it. You gotta stay on it the rest of your life. That's what I heard.
I know. I think once though, because I put on like 20, 25 pounds just because I haven't been able to do anything. So I think once.
That valve's gotta come out. It's no good. So. I'm gonna try to do is cut it here and see what we got for a piece. I might be able to glue a valve on there and then cut a coupling up the top.
Yep.
I'm not a big fan of this shit, but I didn't put it in.
Right. I'll have you out some other time when you're not busy and replace it with that better copper. I
think it's gonna work like that. See?
Yep.
If I could just glue that on there, and we'll just have to. I could probably cut the top and put a coupling up there. Cut a piece out. You know?
Yep.
Good enough for this neighborhood, right?
Yeah.
Just joking.
Yeah, I don't care.
It's not a bad neighborhood. As long as you keep the coyotes out.
Yeah, we put out a trail cam to see, and we've seen coyotes and raccoons and turkey, you name it.
3/4. So it's about 1/8 of an inch short, but I think it'd be okay. Either that or I gotta cut it out. I could probably cut it out and put another T in there. Yeah, because that's gonna go in quite a bit.
Whatever you think's good. I don't care. Whatever you have time for, and I don't
Yeah,
care
because
about the cost.
I want to do it 100%. You know,
Yeah,
I don't want it to be half-assed. So I'd have to cut this, cut this. I might be able to drop it down a little bit. This stuff is just shit, you know.
Yeah.
I don't want to make it too complicated here. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, whatever you think.
I think he should have put copper in, is what I think he should have did, but he didn't, so.
Anytime that's good for you. And as long as you can put the better copper in.
I mean, this will probably work okay. It's, you know, it's gonna work. It's. I just have to cut the top, man. Ain't rocket science. You know the way these new guys are. So you remember the old man that used to sell the vegetables and shit over there?
Yeah, yeah. I used to get some stuff there if I was just needed something in a quick hurry. I mostly just saw the woman, the older woman that worked there.
Well, I don't know who that was. That might have been his girlfriend or something. Maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
I don't know. Maybe that was his housekeeper that ripped him off. Nothing but quality here. As long as it worked. Well, that's kind of odd. So you fell off a ladder and broke your back. How crazy is that?
Yeah, it was pretty high. It was like 5 stairs up, and it was inside a house. I was going up to a loft, and I fell off backwards. And
so you couldn't move or nothing?
I got up and I lay down and until someone came to help me, you know. I was lucky because it just, I didn't, you know, I was lucky that it could have been worse. But I drive a lot on my job, so it's like, it was hard.
Oh, so they were lucky you go on disability.
Yeah, I didn't go on that. I was close enough, because I've been working for the state for 31 years, so I was close enough, if I just stayed until my birthday in May, I was close enough to, I mean, I'm taking less money, but I can still live on it, you know.
Well, that's good.
Now I can just focus on my back and rehab that to get the surgery, rehab it, lose weight. I was a social worker, so it's just I was always working on other people, and I just gotta focus on myself now, you know.
That's what it sounds like, yeah.
And health, you know.
Yeah, I remember you telling me that.
Plus I have MS, so even though it's not bad, stress isn't good, you know what I mean? So that's how I knew about you, because Charlene Swainema, I used to work with her years ago.
Oh, okay. I thought she was a teacher or something.
Yeah, she is now. She used to be a social worker, like when she first started, like 25, 30 years ago, she was a social worker.
Oh, she was.
Yeah, that's how I met her.
Nice person.
Yeah, very nice. Good mom to her kids. She's good.
There's special glue for this stuff. Special glue. They use a lot of this stuff down in Florida.
Yeah.
It's called Cpvc. That's what it's called. All this shit they use in Florida. Crazy. I'm not a big fan of it, but like I said, I gotta patch and match what's here, right?
Yeah.
So we'll put it together and see what happens. Hopefully it does the job. this other pot in. Hopefully I can do it. I said I would have used copper, but the guy already used this stuff, so we have to go back with it. What can I tell you? We'll let that set up for a while, and because this stuff is you're supposed to let it sit up for quite a while before you turn the water on, but you feel lucky? Feel lucky, punk? You ever hear that one?
Yeah. Yeah. I love all those old movies. That's funny.
I say that sometimes. You feel lucky, punk? Clint Eastwood, man, that guy's old now.
Oh yeah. His son looks just like him. It's crazy.
Really?
Yeah, exactly.
Well, he's part of them, I guess, right?
Yeah.
Let's put a couple in there. We'll let it set for a while and then we'll put it together and we'll try it. And hopefully it's okay. It's that stuff, Cpvc. It's alright on a cold, I mean, as long as it's not on a hot. Oh, so we just got this little section here that's done.
Yeah, and it's all down here. But it goes, it stops.
Everything off, let's see if it leaks. So let me get it shut. I'm gonna go through there and then through here. I just have to make sure when you're using this stuff, you go easy with the shut-offs. You only can turn one way, right? So you might have been trying to turn it the wrong way.
I know.
And you broke it.
Yeah.
If it don't go one way, you can look at it and see which way it's going to turn there. Does this one? No. It says on the handle, open and close.
Okay.
Yeah, and you can see right here on this one. This one's got to go this way. You can see the slot there.
Yep.
But this one here on the top, it says open and close.
Okay.
See on the very top?
Yep. Okay. So open is that way, close
Yeah,
is
just
that
go
way.
easy.
Yep,
And then every so often you could blow it out and I'll blow that cartridge out into a bucket.
Okay, yep.
Well, looks like it might have hauled, hopefully. I got a couple in there and
That's great.
it wasn't so bad. It could have been a lot worse than that.